Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable a video lapse mode on SJ CAM C200. And to do this, first you will need to watch our video on how to enter the settings on this camera. It should be linked in the description. Then we can begin to scroll down using the buttons on the right. Select the video lapse mode and click on the power key in front of the camera to select it. Then scroll down and you can pick the option to turn it off, change it to 1 second, 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds and 1 minute. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.